ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Bynta bante alakam ya ka jing sapriang Jong khunyang jingpang nyang kulia bat ban pen sapriang ya ka jingpan sutu pajba halor ka jingma Jong kani ka jingpang kala yo ban Plie ya ki Red Ribbon Club hakaleng gejala bat haka khalai tri ulber arajar arpsan kala yo ban Plie ya ka Red Ribbon Club Jong ka khatsau pra college Mairang bat hadu menta kila don kumba prapulai teli ki Red Ribbon Club hakaleng kajala Meghalaya. Ya kini ka Red Ribbon Club Jong ka khatsau pra college Mairang la yo ban Plie da ka assistant director Jong ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ka badai khmi ya ki Samla ka kong L nong pure ha ringkat u principal ka khatsau pra college u Dr. Bolnas Lingdo nong ha kani kasi ki Samla puli ka khatsau pra college nalor ka jing Ïashim Bynta ha ka awareness program halor ka phang ka baong HIV AIDS kila yoru ban Ïashim Bynta ha ki arteli ki jing yakop ki bakanthop ya ka drawing and painting competition bat ka PowerPoint presentation competition halor ki arteli ki phang ki baong blood donation lani safe and healthy lifestyle.
Okay, now we will launch this Red Ribbon Club in our college right now. Mairang, launch of the Red Ribbon Club. Apa tu again?
What is the Red Ribbon Club? The Red Ribbon Club is the voluntary on-campus intervention program. Kamut ek bapisto mon hi kajingso mon sobha jobi bapin don Bynta kadika club. No, kidai pe thapo a campus within the campus kadika program within the campus. Kamut we enroll in the day group belong thapo NSS we enroll in the day bandon pa jokalika club. If you are an NSS member, kamu automatically become Red Ribbon Club member. No, so this is what Kalikaba initiated and supported by the Office of Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. No, but we collaborate ya Kalika Club, but QA services kumbaga NSS NYK ni collaborate lagi. Suppose we don't know program juga NSS. Kemudian ke program Jong ke Max dan ke program on HIV roof ilapan collaborate lah. Then sedang kini ke Red Ribbon Club tahun 2008-2009 ringkat buat ke North Eastern Hill University. Mo, then Bynta apa ringkat buat North Eastern Hill University NYK Bynta apa stage ini done around 83 Red Ribbon Clubs. Mo, but ringkat buat ke Samla College Hilada 83 ba hilapan rekam yeki club. Tiki activities ki bagi chule barabar mankapor ki chule ki activities namkat namke plajo attend ki program ki bagila organize bagi ni pon ha ki activities bagila le ile ki youth festival ka balongan hakani habo last year attend habo Mairang Presbyterian Science College. He done debate competition, singing competition, street play, flash mob, chat bizat ki program ni la bende. He observed International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, International Youth Day, World AIDS Day, step kunta. Mo kita ada ki activities hila jule hapo stage ni ringkat mereka berkeluar. Let's say dalam kanu activity, let's say dalam hasilong. Next, this is a thought she teach at college. College kala one shashalong one participate in a activity kami organize bagi office room. Ini activities bagi le apa bagi le bagi shule street play bagi le flash mob. The main objective hi kadai bagi prinsip yang kadi kubor award HIV. Use kum street play as a medium. Ni use a flash mob as a medium. Ni use a poster, a slogan competition as the medium. Lingba Jong yo an I message halor HIV/AIDS. The objective of the program to reduce new HIV infection but among youth by raising the risk perception through awareness on safe sex, to induce among the youth the spirit to help support people living with HIV and reduce stigma and discrimination, and to motivate youth and build the capacity as peer educators and change agents by developing the skills on leadership, and then to promote voluntary blood donation. The RRC aims at harnessing the potential of the youth by equipping them with the correct information. Confirm that they are tip the correct information. The tip high can know, you can batai, you know, but I can you know, the tip tikana was the lie. Now, mother, I got wrong information, along people mislead your tokana was not. More, get the correct information, give the correct information. More, that if you would patai, you know, then give the correct information. Let's say now, or the 4 modes of transmission, or the name of the code. I have no correct, but all the commission code. Kemudian kami berarti kemudian yo HIV itu seperti yang virus macam kekul. Kemudian from an infected mother to an unborn child. Kata the correct information. Unprotected sex with an infected person. Then using of unsterilized needles and syringes with an infected person. Then they taking blood products from an infected person. Kata the correct way of giving an information. Do not give any wrong information as it might mislead the other person. But they kata the bangin equip them with correct information on HIV/AIDS, but kunjo bandan kecing solam, but when you try to kat namsa kini kibriyo kiba yo clear uknyang jingpang HIV. Let's say they don't be bandai kumway the P but over they haven't pay for HIV. Kambre but over that. P must P ya yen but stand nakabanta uto wapang HIV. To support him, to give him constant support, but to ban biarap yo ya kecing suma, yo ya kata kecing suma ba kita wai namata ka ye kecing pang kejo. As you know, ban kecing pang, it's not treatable, but it's preventable kumulaong. Okay, ilapan di idawai sister, kini idawai ART, pada portable hospital slow. Hadu ketes yung kilo, kalau nak mendetect virus sudah lemet, baik. Nakada berjindi kestar juki, virus umum pasho habokan test kejuri. Ma, kita aim, one to live a healthy lifestyle, to practice safe sex, and to promote voluntary blood donation.